introducing Liquify Botanical Styling Gel. Liquify is a unique botanical styling gel that moisturizes the hair while giving long-lasting hold and style. You can use it as a wet look gel, curl enhancing gel, or as a blow-dry gel for volume. It is full of natural botanicals such as moringa extract, marula oil, and aloe, which leaves hair soft and revitalized. There are 3 easy ways to use Liquify. Use on wet hair as a wet look styling gel to sleek hair back and control your style. Use on wet hair as a styling gel to define and enhance natural waves and texture. Liquify has no buildup and no white flake, so you can easily change up your wet look into a voluminous hairstyle by using it as a blow-dry gel to give bounce, shine, and volume to your hair.